there are certain moments when you're designing shoes and designing products and the shoes actually arrive and you know that they're launching in the next week or so, and you get them, and it's just like you're overwhelmed with emotions because you know how much work that you've put into this project, how much you care about it, how much you want it to be successful. And then it is. And it's fucking brilliant. It's a Grillossssss pickles slide, baby. Watch you next week.